Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay, and welcome to another pre-InfoComm edition of my rants and raves. And I'm excited to be joined with the Vice President of Sales for Televic, Peter Papageorge. Peter, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Gary. Thanks for having me today.
Thanks for being back. We just talked a
Yeah.
month ago about your smart audio control solutions, and Televic, which is televic.com.
hmm
You can check them out in booth C9614. That's because they're in the central hall. We got
hmm
6 things that you're going to be doing at the show. 2 of them we're going to do last, Peter. That's the reception you're going to invite everyone to, and you're going to do a LinkedIn Live. So we're going to do those 2 last. But I know
Sure.
that you have 4 different product groups because I learned that on our launch and learn. Talk about those and how you're going to highlight those in the booth.
You got it. So I think everything comes down to our move from our niche industry into smart audio and control, where we're taking care of our end users with the main things of ease of use and I don't want to push a button. That's
Yep.
very new. And that's one major side. The other side is the parallel track for our integrators to do DSP. So in other words, I want to control everything, not just control, but routing in the Televic world. That's completely new. And that
Right.
just took off down the road. So our 4 products that are supporting that, the new Discerno system is the first one. And again, a true plug and play with a new engine, but it has 2 major ports, the USB direct to your UC computer for the end user, simplicity, hands-free, and hook up to Teams and Zoom. The other part is for our integrators, the AES67 control and routing capability. Just like I mentioned with Smart On Control in this system, this expands us into lots of new applications. So both sides are covered, our end user and our integrator community.
All right. So
Um,
that's Discerno.
that's Discerno, that's correct.
All right. So that's the first one. Go for the next one.
Unicos AV applications. Unicos is our all-in-one AV appliance. What's really cool is line of sight issues, being able to say, but we have one major appliance that has a microphone, speakers, touch screen, and webcam. So with all of the nuances of smart audio control, this gave another tool to our integrator community. So we're excited to demonstrate this on the show floor live and give you that feeling how we can bring in Teams and Zoom and again bring in everything into one appliance. So
Yeah,
that's Unicos.
that's definitely appealing to end users, especially. So you got Discerno, Unicos, third one.
Third one is flex, wired, and wireless, our standard core audio systems. But what's really cool is people don't realize we're the only company in the world that has both together that are cosmetically the same. So if you have a standalone wireless system or a
Looks
standalone
just
wired
like the
system,
wired. Yeah.
they can be coupled and uncoupled. So that gave us 3 solutions in one, meaning you have a wired application, you have a wireless, or you have a combined. But we've been doing that for a while now, and again, applying the same principles of DSP mode and hands-free modes are all, again, making our products more valuable.
All right. And number 4.
Number 4, Unite. We're launching Unite, which is kind of the Swiss Army knife of communication solutions. What's really cool is here's a product that brought together handheld devices, one-way and two-way communication, along with a handheld microphone and access point. So it's not necessarily just for one use. What's really nice, it is a Swiss Army knife of solutions, and we welcome people to come to our booth and talk about it because there's so many great things about this product that can really help in rental and other applications. So again, Unite is going to again expand Televic even further in the
And I
UK.
like how you're doing this because if you're at the show, come to a
Mhm.
reception. If you're not at the show, watch the live, a LinkedIn Live on Thursday. So the reception is what, Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday is our beer event. Being a Belgium company, come on, you got to have beer. So ideally, Wednesday from 3 to 5. We want to beat our European colleagues. They drink a lot of beer over there. We think we can drink more. So come on out and join us on Wednesday from 3 to 5. And ideally, on Thursday is the LinkedIn Live. If you can't make InfoComm, that doesn't mean you can't get it live from our booth. So watch for that on our LinkedIn. Just follow us on LinkedIn, and you'll get a link to it.
And of course, I'll be going by there and shooting videos on everything that we've talked about here and introducing the industry to Televic, who doesn't, if you don't already know who they are. Check them out at televic.com. Peter, Papageorge, thank you very much for
Thank you.
doing this. And congratulations on your success.
Thank you. I appreciate it, Gary. See you next week.
And of course, all of our InfoComm coverage at ravepubs.com/InfoComm.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and